If your Epic Games account or launcher is showing the wrong language, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch the language on Epic Games in just a few seconds. This is a simple fix, but a lot of people miss the setting because it's hidden right in the top corner of the official website. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the real Epic Games page so you can safely change the language settings without any confusion. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a globe icon there, which is the language selector. Click that globe icon and a list of available languages will appear. Now all you need to do is choose the language you want to switch to from the list. As soon as you click it, the website will update and display Epic Games in that language. If the page does not refresh automatically, just wait a moment or reload the page and the new language should appear. And that's it, you've successfully switched the language on Epic Games. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can browse the site in the language that's most comfortable for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.